Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok profile view option not showing in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you have opened your TikTok account and facing the issue that this option is not showing profile view option, so guys, you can easily get this option. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, the main reason of this problem or missing some features from your app is update problem. So guys, if you are using any old version of your app, simply you have to upgrade your app. So guys, how can you do this? You have to open your app store if you are using iPhone. So guys, simply you have to search here TikTok, and guys, you have to search this app. You have to click on your TikTok app, and guys, here is the option of update. Simply you have to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing update, you will be able to get all the features that you are missing on your app. And guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, the second step is you have to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and after this you have to click on TikTok app. And guys, you need to offload your app, and after doing offload, you need to reinstall again and log in again your app. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to get your profile view option. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.